Hey, so right now I wanted to do a quick video about a photo that just did not work out. I went and shot that Takema schoolhouse that people like, the one where the side is kind of crashing in. Super awesome light. It was the evening, so the light was really fading quickly, right, as it always does. And I was driving down the street from that schoolhouse, and I found this really cool little dilapidated shack. I thought it was cool, so I got out, took a couple pictures. But you'll see a drastic difference between a structure or something that has really cool light on it, and then something where the light kind of goes away, and how much of a difference it makes between a good photo and a bad photo. So let's check it out.
All right, so this is that schoolhouse that I was talking about briefly, and this shot is cool. The Photoshop edited version is a little bit better, but this is still a cool shot. The light is beautiful, coming in from the sunset. You see another version where you get the sky, which is just incredible. So I'm still kind of messing with this, but look, the reason I went there to the schoolhouse at that time of the day because I wanted the light to look like this. I wanted that directional light, and I wanted the sunset, right? I wanted those cool epic clouds with all the colors that happen, and it really makes the photograph. You can see I took way too many photos, like I usually do, but you can kind of see again on another version of this, the light really makes this awesome. If my computer will go, pretty cool stuff. Still got to mess with the sun right there, but whatever. And I was going down the street after the light had already faded, and I found this little dilapidated shack. And it's a pretty cool deal. That tree in that shack is pretty sweet. I ended up only taking this one or one more maybe, and I deleted it in the camera simply because I could see when I was in the field, like standing there, that the light for me just wasn't working. It was really flat. The sky was really white, and I wanted to make sure that I came back maybe at another time. If I came back at the sunset again, the clouds would maybe be cooler, and also maybe you get some light streaming through the branches on the left, and maybe to the right during sunrise, the light's going to really add something to the texture of the photograph, right? It's going to boost those colors that are already there. If you look, you could see some cool stuff, right? Some cool reds that are all faded, but because I shot it with really bad light, they're just not there. You can't see them too much. I could warm up the photo and I could do some edits, but it's just not there. Everything's just a little too flat. And so sometimes as a photographer, this is a shot that you should recognize. Hey, put it in your head, come back when you have better light. And I think when I was younger, when I was shooting, back 16, 17 years ago, I just didn't see things the way. I'd probably think this was awesome, and I'd take 20 shots, 30, 100 shots, whatever, of this thing, thinking they're all really cool, not really kind of imagining or doing post-visualization where I'm looking at what the photo's going to be afterwards. So just wanted to show you, sometimes we fail. This is one of those times, but it's in my head. I got to go back.